Hello, welcome back to Murfin Motor Company. Another car for sale video today. We've got this Astra. It's a 2014 2-litre TDI Estate Elite, which means it's the top of the line car. It's done 93,000 miles, got nice history, some nice spec. Let's have a little look round. It's finished, as you can see, in this colour. This is called Sculpture Orange. Bronze, I don't know what you'd call it, but it's an unusual colour and I like it. It's a clean and tidy car. We've got good alloys all the way around the car. The front tyres are pretty new. As we come down the side of the car, there's you've got another decent alloy there. Back tyres aren't the best, to be honest, but they're fine. They were noted that they're slightly perishing on the back, but they'll do until the next MOT. As we look down the side of the car, you can see there it's all nice and straight. It's just worth pointing out on this front wing, it's had a dent removed, not by us, but previously, and it's not a perfect finish. It's fine for the age of car, but it's a little bit ripply there. You can see where it's had a dent knocked out previously. Nothing out of the end for the age and the mileage. As we come around the back, you can see that it's got the parking sensors in the rear bumper. Let's have a little look inside. We've got huge, great big load area, obviously. We have the tyre kit in there. There is space for a spare. If you wanted to put a spare in, you can do. You've got a through load facility there, look. It's all nice and clean and tidy in here. So this side, again, it's very straight. We've got another nice clean alloy there, and again, this tyre on the back, it's fine. It's fine. So inside, leather, obviously electric windows in the back. We've got Isofix across the back here. It's got the leather interior. It's had a child seat on here, which is why it's just depressed. It will probably come back after a while, but it's had a family with a child seat in it, which is fine. So we come around, this is the main part of the cabin. We've got again, leather on the inside, nice sort of very supportive seats in these, almost like sports seats, I suppose. Got real high, very sort of classic you in, they're good. Have a little look inside. We've got radio CD player. We've got auxiliary in, we've got climate control, heated front seats. So, you know, it's got the extra nice little bits and pieces. Over on the steering wheel here, you've got your cruise control, you've got source, volume, and all that kind of stuff. Got all 4 electric windows. We've got electric mirrors over there that also fold in as well. Even the rear view mirror is self-dipping as well. So it's, you know, good spec. It is an Elite after all. It's got the nice spec. So the other nice thing with it's got a good service record. We have, let's just do this with one hand. So there was its original pre-delivery inspection in 2014. Then we got one there in 2015, if you can see that in the sunshine. 2016, 17, 18, another one there in 18, done a few miles that year. And one in, so that's at 42, then we've got one at 59, one at 65, 20 and 21. And we've got one in 22, 23, 24, and we've just done one just now. So that one there in 24, it's written in that we do have the job card from that one as well. So, you know, a good service record. We've just MOT'd it as well. There are a couple of minor advisories. Of the tyres slightly damaged, cracking, just advisories, and one shock has got a light misting of oil. Again, nothing that you really need doing anytime soon on a car of this age. It's drives really nicely. We've got blast alloy, and again, tyre there look pretty decent. As we come around the front, it's not all marked and chipped, and it, you know, for a car of its age and mileage, it's in really nice condition. There you go. For more information, it's on our website. It's on our yes, it is our website, murfinmotorcompany.co.uk. There you'll find all our contact info. You can find our Google reviews. Don't forget, we can take your car in part exchange, all the usual stuff. If you are interested in the car, please do give us a call. Don't just turn up, as the car probably won't be here. We don't store all the cars on site. Thanks for watching the video, and speak to you soon. Ta-da.